Introducing the square arm overhead lead acrylic mobile barrier with torso cutout. A versatile mobile leaded radiation shield designed by Phillips Safety in compliance with some state regulations for shielding in fluoroscopy imaging. Thanks to its 45-degree rotation and offset design, it can be effortlessly positioned anywhere around the patient for optimal coverage. The lead acrylic window offers a 0.5mm PB equivalence, meeting the highest industry standards for X-ray protection. The window measures in at 32 inches by 24 inches. Equipped with 4 hospital-grade casters and brakes, mobility has never been easier or safer. Built with a durable, powder-coated alloy square arm, this shield is designed to resist corrosion and withstand the rigors of daily use. Phillips Safety's square arm overhead lead acrylic mobile barrier. Protection, mobility, and durability all in one. Enhance safety in your medical facility today.